Hey y'all, Brooke here. I wanted to show y'all my new journal that I'm working on. This is my sewing theme. I don't know if you can really see. Let me get the light up here a little more. But I have added trims, ribbon, lace, a printout image, some little girls and sewing machine, more trims, and a multi-fabric ruchy thing, and the whole thing is covered in fabric, and then I just sewed around like two pieces together, and I'm gonna flip you through it, and it's got a seam binding closure, and this is an envelope. I don't have them over here, you know, these kind of envelopes, and then I Mod Podged a pattern, a sewing pattern on it, and added a magnet right there. I got those, and then you've got this pocket, and a pocket back here. And then it has 3 signatures, and I'll just flip you through them real fast. And I've already have this one done, and I'm just gonna do a series of videos of decorating it. And they're all the same throughout right now. Cup spot there. All tea stain papers. It looked like this is out of an old book, and it looked like curtains to me, so I added it in here because it's a sewing theme. And then I have fabric in an envelope. And I don't know how I'm gonna close that up, but it's just a regular envelope that I tea stained. I sprayed some tea on it and dried them up. And then you got this one, same thing. Here's that fabric, and I'm going to be adding lots of fabric pieces. And here's this one, same thing. And then here's the back one. I'll show you that up close. And this was some little girl's pattern, like a dress pattern or something like that. But what I was going to do in this video is add the journal label. And I got this piece of fabric that I think I'm going to use here. And then I took just a little piece of paper, like a little Tim Holtz piece of paper, and covered it with some pattern paper. I'll put that there. And then I have the individual letter stamps and stamped out journal on a piece of paper, and went ahead and I think that's how I'm going to do that. Okay, let's do it. I think my mat is disgusting. I'm going to get it a little yucky. Looks crooked over here. I'm just going to use this 3-in-1. Get it as straight as I can. I wanted to use a metal plate, but I didn't have one that was small enough, and I really want to keep this more textile-y. And I just cut my fingernails off, and I feel like I can't pick anything up. I can't touch anything. That's what my husband used to say when he was a little boy. His mom would cut his fingernails, and he'd walk around going, I can't touch nothing. Okay, let's get the journal part on there. And I don't know what all I am adding in this journal yet. Get this straight. I figured I showed you guys building one from scratch, and I don't build them any differently than that. So I'll just show one that I already made and decorating them. Looks a little crooked. All right, let's add it on here. And I can feel the chipboard. I don't know if I want it there. Let me stand up. I don't know if you can see my head. Oh, I like it down here. Okay. Let's put it down. If you hear my stomach growling, I'm hungry. Grab my bone folder. And then I want this kind of raggedy. Whoop. Didn't want to take it off. I have noticed that Fabri-Tac like bonds a little faster. But I figured I'd try this one because it's a little cheaper. But get what you pay for, huh? And my last journal was a little full. So this one I'm not going to quite add so many thick pages. There we go. I like it. Looks cute. And then I'm probably gonna like hang buttons and charms and stuff like that from this. And then I also have this signature strings. Gosh, let me get this off. The signature strings hanging out. And I don't know if I'm gonna cut them off or hang something from them. I haven't quite decided. I don't know. But I will get it figured out. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll come back with the next one.